Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the YOUCANIC scanner to reset what's called the CBS of condition-based service on BMWs. So this is a few things that BMW monitors, and they're not only it monitors miles, but it also monitors like the condition of like the engine oil, so or the brake pads or brake fluid condition, and also like the overall vehicle check over here, so in order to reset the CBS, you have to use a scan tool that's able to do that, and I'll show you how to get to this. And we have already reset engine oil level, and the way you do this is by selecting any of these numbers. But what we're going to reset is vehicle check, the overall vehicle check, and I'll show you how to get to this screen and do that reset. In order to get the CBS service and reset that, the few different things that we looked at a second ago, you want to select maintenance, and it's a little tricky, but all that is under oil reset here, and then you select BMW and then smart VIN. Automatically picked up the VIN and the model. Sometimes if the VIN does not automatically detect the model, you can manually select it, BMW 7 Series, so that's not a problem there. So right here you want to select special functions, and then you can reset without tool. There is a few things you can reset through instrument cluster and buttons on the steering wheel, but we're using the tool, so we're going to do CBS reset. And here you can see what can be reset. So all of these can be reset. You press, as we said, press 1 or whatever. You want to reset number 5. It's at 0%. You can see how many times it's been reset on the past. It's been reset 3 times. So once we do the reset, this should go to 100. This should go to 4. So we scroll down here and we select 5. So the overall that vehicle check is saying it's linked to the engine oil. So you want to change the engine oil first, and check the other, like the brake fluid condition, and do those other resets first before you can carry out the overall vehicle reset. Alright, so keep that in mind before you carry out the vehicle check. This is just saying that it needs to also reset these settings that are stored in the instrument cluster, so we just press yes here. And the reset is complete. You can see vehicle check is 100%. This number went up to 4. Okay, you can reset emission inspection as well if you want it, but this is how you reset engine, brakes, brake fluid condition, and overall vehicle check. And thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.